everyone, I'm Ashma and welcome back to my channel Merriness. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the ZoBag from Zotezo. Now this is priced at rupees 399 and the shipping charge is just rupees 1. So you get entirely 5 products in the price of rupees 400 and their delivery is also very quick. Once I open the box, this is how it looks to me. It's bubble wrapped. I think it's just a single bubble wrap, and here is a note from Zotezo and it says, "Be your own queen. Hey gorgeous, we got something special for you. Ashma with love, team Zotezo." And let's quickly see how the products look. I think this can be removed like this only. Oh wow, just look at this color. This bag is so vibrant, so green. It's actually giving me a good feel right now, and it also says Re-Energize naturally. It's of a very good quality and the material is also washable, so I'm actually liking the quality of the bag. So this is how the bag looks from inside, and it's quite spacious. It's got all the products inside, so let's quickly see the products now.
Before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, then please click the red color subscribe button and also click the bell notification. Make sure you click the options and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's get started.
The first product is from McCaffeine and this is their neem face wash. It's a 50 ml product and it is paraben free. It consists of vitamin E and argan oil. Now if you all know that vitamin E and argan oil also help to give our skin that glowing effect, and also that it is infused with caffeine which helps to tone the skin, and neem we already know that it helps to clear the pimples and the scars on the face. So it's a very good product and a good addition to the box this month. The MRP of this box is rupees 199 and it is best before 24 months from the date of manufacturing. The manufacturing date is mentioned as 0717. So I've used this product before and I actually like the product. It really works well for people who have oily to combination skin type. For people who have a dry skin, they have to use a moisturizer, a good moisturizer after the face wash, but otherwise the product is really good and very suitable for combination to oily skin types. And they have also mentioned the ingredients list here along with how to use this product. It is again a cruelty free product and it is not tested on animals. The next product is from La Cura and this is their aloe vera gel. It's a 100-gram product and it clearly says that it clears blackheads, controls formation of acne and retains moisture with a soothing skin. We all know that aloe vera gel has exceptional moisturizing property, and also that aloe vera gel is suitable for all skin types. It's safe and gentle to use as a face moisturizer also, and it's very effective for pimples and acne, stars, even stretch marks for such. It penetrates in the skin very easily and it also gives a protective barrier which helps to retain the moisture and also promote the healing. This is how the gel looks like. It's a little bit of liquid kind of consistency. It's green in color. Let's quickly see if it gets absorbed easily or no. So I had just taken a little bit of amount, but as you can see that it's covered my entire hand and the moisture is there. You can see that there is a little bit of glow. It's got quickly absorbed and it spreads very evenly on the skin. So I'm actually happy with the result. The fragrance is also not very strong. The fragrance of this is okay. It's more similar to the natural aloe vera plant extract. So I'm happy that the fragrance is not very strong for this particular aloe vera gel. Then the third product is from Nirvana, crafted naturally. It's their pure goat milk and honey soap. The packaging is quite simple and neat, and here you can see the list of all the ingredients mentioned here. It also says that the Nirvana soap are traditionally handcrafted, 100% paraben free bathing bars. Each bar gives you a very refreshing and enjoyable bath with various health and skin benefits. Go ahead and indulge yourself in through bathing Nirvana. It's priced at rupees 200, and here you can see that they have mentioned that you can use it 36 from best before 36 months from the date of manufacturing. The product is 100 gram and the date of manufacturing is not mentioned here. Again, I will try and put it here. I think this one is a freshly manufactured piece, and this also, let's open, and yeah, it can be opened, and we can see that it's got a little bit of dark orange here and a pale orange color here. The fragrance is more of those orange candies which you get. I do not feel like the milk fragrance or the honey fragrance, but it's more of the orange fragrance which I can feel, and I'm excited to use this because I have never used a goat milk soap before, so looking forward to try it out. And I also forgot to mention that this Nirvana goat milk and honey soap will maintain a moisture balance that results in soother, softer skin. The goat milk with honey soap have rejuvenating effects on the skin cells, neutralizing free radicals, reconstructing collagen fibers and enhancing the moisture retention, which is a very good thing. Let's see it is worth or no. I will be trying it out soon and also posting about it on my Instagram stories or maybe on the post. I'll let you know the effects of the soap soon. Moving on to the next product. It is the Purple Essential Naturals Green Apple Shower Gel. It's a 50 ml product. Here it is mentioned that this refreshing formula is blended with pure green apple extracts to purify and nourish the skin with natural minerals and protein. Special pH balanced formula is gentle enough to use every day, leaves skins refreshed and full of natural body and shine. That's nice, and they've also mentioned how to use it. It's priced at rupees 300 and they have mentioned the ingredients list here. The date of manufacturing is 1/2018, which means it's very freshly manufactured, and this can be used best before 24 months from the date of manufacturing. This is how the liquid green shower gel looks like, and believe me, the fragrance is very similar to an actual green apple. If you like green apple, believe me, you will love this fragrance because it is so very similar, and I am super excited to try this one out. The last product is this tint nail polish protector, and this is a 7 ml product and it is priced at rupees 130. This nail protector gives like a natural and a high shine finish, and it's also got a patented formula which allows the top coat to penetrate to the nail lacquer and to the base coat, and it also gives a solid coating over the nail, and it is it gives a durable finish. It says that it will last for 7 days with the top coats and with the touch-ups, so I will have to try it out to see if it is effective or no. So these are all the 5 products which you would be getting in the Feb month, and along with that they have also mentioned all the products and a detailed information about each and every product on this information card. And it also says that this one is their January bag, but this is not their January bag, it's actually their January and Feb edition together, and you will be getting products worth rupees 1000 and more in this month's bag. So this was my review for ZoBag for the month of February, and in all I am pretty impressed with all the 5 products. They're actually very re-energizing, and the choice of products is also good. You would be getting all these 5 products at rupees 399 plus 1 rupee as shipping. So I actually liked this month's box, and if you like it too and if you want to purchase, then I will put the link to the box in the description tab below, so you can go and check it out. And that's it for my review for this month. And if you like this video and if it was helpful for you all to make a choice, then please do give this video a big thumbs up for my efforts, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you for watching Merriness.